ChatGPT is a powerful language model developed by OpenAI that can be used for a variety of tasks such as natural language understanding, text generation, and more. By integrating ChatGPT in your WordPress website, you can provide your visitors with an enhanced browsing experience by adding natural language capabilities to your website. If you are watching our video for the first time, please hit the subscribe button. My name is Shubham. In this video, we are going to show you how you can install ChatGPT directly on your WordPress website. So let's get into it. The first step is to install a plugin. For adding ChatGPT onto your website, in the plugin section, type GPT. You will find AI engine, ChatGPT like chatbot, content or image generator, AI playground, AI fine tuning by Jordi Meow. Hit install now. So this is the plugin which we will use for integrating ChatGPT onto your WordPress website. Head over to the settings. You can find Meow apps here. Head over to AI engine. Here you will find API key. First you will have to generate API keys from your OpenAI account. Let's head over to OpenAI. Login. So here you can create API keys for your OpenAI account, and after copying the API keys from OpenAI account, you can paste on this box, and now your OpenAI account will be integrated with this plugin. So now let's head over to chatbot. Here you can customize the chat box. You can change the color. So for displaying ChatGPT on a WordPress page, you'll have to copy this shortcode. Let's create a page. Let's name it ChatGPT for WordPress. Type shortcode. I will paste the shortcode here. Let's change the height to 650. Let's hit publish. So now we have successfully integrated ChatGPT on our WordPress website. Let's test out some prompts. Suggest clothing brand name. So the ChatGPT has generated the answer. Let's try one more prompt. Write a quote by Leonardo da Vinci. So you have seen how perfectly ChatGPT has integrated on our WordPress website. So now that the plugin is set up, you can start using the ChatGPT in various ways on your website. For example, the main use cases can be adding a chatbot to your website that can answer questions from visitors, or you can use the model to generate text for different sections of your website. You can write an entire copy with ChatGPT. Overall, the AI engine plugin makes it easy to add the power of ChatGPT to your WordPress website, providing your visitors with a more natural and interactive browsing experience. So guys, this is how you can easily integrate ChatGPT onto your WordPress website. If you have any questions integrating the ChatGPT plugin, do comment below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to SaaS Junction. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next one.